So you can have a really, really nice boat like this. You can have a big old engine, a lot of power in it. But one of the components that's really going to give you that great performance that you want from your rig is this prop right here. Now, Mercury makes a lot of different props. They're actually experts at making props. And they come in a lot of different configurations, things like the different pitches, the different number of blades, the different cupping configurations. So what I want to do is talk about a few basics that you can do to help you get the right prop that you need. First of all, let's look at that pitch. Pitch is, this is a 21 pitch prop. That means one revolution should put you at 21 inches. If you go to 24 pitch prop, you get 24 inches. So obviously the bigger pitch can give you bigger speed, but the problem is it's also harder to turn, and a lot of times you get too big a pitch and you can't get the hole shot you need. So if you aren't getting the right hole shot in your boat, one thing you can do is looking at going down in pitch. That'll let that prop swing a little easier, give you that better low end torque. But you can also get too low to where you get cavitation and it's just not biting. So you got to play with that a little bit. Top end, you want to get the biggest pitch prop you can, but still keep this motor running in the RPM range that's best for it. For this 400 Verado, I've got to be up in that 63 to 6,500 RPM. So a 21 pitch prop is just right for me. Get too big, it slows it, bogs it down. Now the second thing to look at is the number of blades. For these, fiberglass, heavier walleye boats like I run, most of us will run 4 pitch blades. The Bravo 1 prop is a very popular prop for us to run. 4 blades gives us a lot of what we call lift. Not just bow lift where the nose comes out, but the whole back of the boat actually lifts up, gets us a little bit out of the water and gives us that top end speed we need. So look at that pitch, look at your number of blades, look at your cupping configurations, and get the performance that you want out of your boat and really make this bad boy run.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.